Traveling is my newfound passion, and I love traveling. But sometimes it puts me into troubles, and such troubles are not always visible. During my Pondicherry trip, I was filming a video called Journey Inside a Lighthouse.
Have you ever been to the inside of lighthouse? Let me take you in.
Pondicherry has two lighthouses, one new and the other one old.
Once upon a time when there was no satellite system, lighthouse were very important for the ships, and here I have a big lighthouse behind me which served sole purpose for navigation of the ships. But now with the advent of satellite system, the purpose of lighthouse is somewhat lost, and this lighthouse is over here acting as a radar post.
As I entered the lighthouse, it looked like this from inside. With circular steps, it looked just beautiful. 700 steps upstairs and you're there. The most beautiful view in Pondicherry is visible from this lighthouse. These big electronics machines are the ones which controls the radar on top. Everything was beautiful and everything was mesmerizing. Till I saw two holes up on the cover, which leads to the radar platform.
Now look at this. I'm standing below around 20 feet on a ship's radar post, and to come here I had to take permission from a ship's officer, filled up a checklist and then switched off the radar, and then finally gave me a permit. And the radar over here is comparatively much smaller than the lighthouse radar. If you look close, you can see a shed over there to protect everyone from these radiations. But then why I'm so worried? From the two holes on that radar post, I think energy could be just leaking out. And you know, children and pregnant ladies are the worst affected. I think we should rethink before going up there. It's not so safe at all.